and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to add Facebook lead ads leads to Google Sheets for food and beverage business. So as the owner of a business, I learned Facebook lead ads on my Facebook page to receive new leads. So now here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead should be added over here as a new row in my Google Sheets. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Facebook lead ads to my Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically add Facebook lead ads leads to Google Sheets for your food and beverage business. This will help you track inquiries in real time, stay organized and respond faster without any manual work. Alright, so as you all know that I run a food and beverage business and I use Facebook lead ads to promote my products and collect customer inquiries. So every day I receive leads from people interested in different cuisines. So now manually checking and recording each lead is time consuming and easy to mess up. So by automatically adding Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets, I can keep all the information in one place, track it easily and share it with my team in real time. This helps me respond faster, stay organized and turn more inquiries into actual orders without missing any potential customers. So here on my screen you can see my Facebook page that I've created with the name Crave Culture, and here I'm running some Facebook lead ads. So now here my objective is as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead over here, then automatically all the lead details should be added over here in my Google Sheets as a new row. So now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Facebook lead ads with my Google Sheets using an automation software. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this automation by simply generating a new test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So here to generate the test lead, let me all take you to the lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is the lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I've selected my page and the form that I've already created. And now here to generate a test lead, I'm going to click on this preview form. And here you can see the details that I've already pre-filled, such as the favorite cuisine. Here I've added the full name, email and the random phone number. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And it says thanks, you are all set. That means we have successfully generated a test lead over here. So let's go and check our Google Sheets. And here you can see we have received a successful new response over here where we have received the name, email, phone number and the cuisine. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your Facebook lead ads with your Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you have to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So I'm going to give the name as add Facebook lead ads leads to Google Sheets for food and beverage business. And now you have to giving a name to my workflow. It is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folders section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads, as I'm receiving new leads through Facebook lead ads. So Facebook lead ads are a type of advertising format on Facebook that helps businesses collect contact information from people interested in their products and services. So in my Facebook lead ads trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instant, so that when I'm going to receive new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow should get triggered. Alright, so now here to connect my Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired account and authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. Moving forward, here it is asking me to select the page name. So here I've already shown you that I have my page with the name Crave Culture. So here I'm going to select my page as Crave Culture. And now here after selecting my page, it is asking me to select the lead gen form. So here to get the lead gen form, let me all take you to the Meta Business Suite. So here in the Meta Business Suite, you can see the lead form that I've already created over here with the name Crave Culture. So I'm going to use the form as Crave Culture. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But here if you wish to capture the leads of all the lead gen forms, then you can select all lead gen forms from here. Alright, so now after selecting the page name and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response, that means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So now again here to generate a test lead, let me all take you back to my lead ads testing tool. So in my lead ads testing tool, I need to delete my previous lead in order to capture the new lead, because it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So for that, I'm going to click on this delete lead button. And it says your lead has been deleted. Alright, so now here after this we need to refresh our window, and that's a necessary step. Now again here we are going to select our page over here that we have created with the name Crave Culture. And then I'm going to select my form as Crave Culture, and now here to generate a new lead, I'm going to click on this preview form. And now here I'm going to enter the details. So here for the favorite cuisine, I'm going to enter Thai. Here for the full name, I'm going to enter the name as test user. Here I'm going to enter the email as test@pabblytudes.com. Here I'm going to enter a random phone number. And then I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And it says thanks, you are all set. That means we have successfully generated a test lead over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received all the details over here for our lead. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received all the lead details, then I want to add the details over here in my Google Sheets as a new row. So for that, I'm going to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect in this action step. So I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets. So Google Sheets is a free web-based spreadsheet program that allows you to create, edit and share spreadsheets online. So in my Google Sheets action step, I'm going to select my action event as add a new row, so that when I'm going to receive new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead detail should be added over here in my Google Sheets. So for that, I'm going to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect by clicking on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me to select the spreadsheet. So I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name Crave Culture Lead Details. So I'm going to select my spreadsheet as the same. And now here after selecting my spreadsheet, I'm going to select my sheet as sheet 1. And then here is asking me to enter the name, email, phone number and the favorite cuisine. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Google Sheet. Sheets. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we're going to receive new response for our Facebook lead ads, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the name, I'm going to map the full name. And here for the email, I'm going to map the email address. Here I'm going to map the phone number. And lastly, I'm going to map the favorite cuisine. Now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added the new detail over here in our Google Sheets. So let's go and check it. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the name, email, phone number and the favorite cuisine. So with this, we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as Facebook lead ads and action as Google Sheets. So that whenever we're going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad for a food and beverage business, then automatically that lead detail is going to be added over here in our Google Sheets as a new row. Alright, so these were the steps to how to add Facebook lead ad leads to Google Sheets for food and beverage business. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.